sharing this super cute album made with the Flutter Bloom collection. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. This project is called the Grad album. It's a remix project. My original version was done with graduation papers, which is why I called it the Grad album. Here, I'm showcasing the Flutter Bloom collection, and the project just took on a completely different life with these papers. It is just stunning. The paper collection comes in two formats. You can get it printed and or in the digital version, which you have for your lifetime. You can print over and over and over in the 12 by 12 format, or for those of you who do not have a wide format printer, you can print them in the 8 by 8 and in the 6 by 6, which are just as beautiful. The embellishments, the pocket cards, the sentiments, everything comes in the paper collection. Check out this gorgeous interactive piece that is included in the paper collection. Look at this, just super fun. There's a little magnet there. Finished it off with this super cute little coin, just beautiful. These pop-up displays here have an acetate window, so you can insert a photo and those just come up. Look at how fun that is. Let me stand back so you can see how wonderful that is. It's really pretty. Just wanted to give you a quick little recap of this album, not necessarily a final review, but something you may be interested in. Again, these albums take on a completely different life once you change the paper. So if you like the look of the album, if you like the navigation, the way you can navigate this album, the size of the photos, 4 by 6s, just change the paper. If the Flutter Bloom paper is not something that you're looking for a specific project. It has really fun, easy to navigate interactive elements, clear defining areas for photos. Just really cute, guys. Really just stunning. I love it. It turned out beautiful. Another one of these pocket watches dangling here from the top of this pop-up window here. Just really cute. So cute. Fun signature cuts here. And the sentiments are just so relatable. I just love it. I hope you love the album. Let me know your thoughts. Flutter Bloom paper collection, and the project is called the Grad album remix. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.